Hi mums and dads, it's Dan from Fun-Keys for Kids. In today's lesson we will be looking at when the saints go marching. All you will need is your finger numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, as well as the colour-coded keys on the piano. C, D, E, F, G, A, B and C. So, if you look closely at the sheet, you will see that the finger numbers and the colours are already written for us. So, the song goes as follows. Put your number 1 on C, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 3, 5, 5, 4. 3, 4, 5. 3, 1, 2, 1. And that's it. So next week we will be looking at what these hearts mean and how many beats each note have. See you soon.